This video is sponsored by XTool. If you are interested in picking up any of the XTool machines, then check out the links in the description. Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how my new XTool F1 Ultra laser has become an invaluable member of the leathercraft team, helping to boost productivity and allowing me to offer new products as well as fancying up existing ones. Unlike other lasers, the F1 Ultra packs a dual laser system. So we have an infrared IR laser as well as a blue light diode laser. This allows me to work across different materials from leather to metal, which is pretty exciting, opening up new possibilities for what I can offer my customers. And not only that, the actual footprint of the F1 is tiny, so it fits really nicely on my desk next to my laptop. So if you have been watching the channel for a while, you may have seen in some of my videos or on the podcast that I have talked about how that I struggle with repetitive strain. Now, having a tool like the F1 Ultra allows me to continue doing the craft that I love, but it takes the strain off of certain parts of my body. It hasn't taken away the handmade aspect of my craft. I still hand make all the prototypes before transferring them onto my laptop, where I can then use the laser to cut out the patterns and then assemble them by hand. Using the laser, I can do batch production, which improves productivity in the workshop. Where it would take me over a minute to cut out a single keyring, the F1 Ultra can do it in a blistering 23 seconds. As well as adding any engraving and also cutting out the stitch holes if required. Another thing that I love about the F1 Ultra is the ability to cut through quite thick leather. Now, I am in the process of creating a new range of dog collars and leads, and the F1 Ultra can cut out my 3mm bridle butt accurately and fast, which is great when I want to work in small batches. Another aspect of the F1 Ultra which I love is the engraving abilities. Not only is this blisteringly fast on my leatherwork, but also with the help of the framing guides within the F1 Ultra, it is easy for me to line up my items to make sure the engraving is going to be in the right place every single time. Now, the F1 Ultra isn't just for leather. You can use it to cut and engrave a whole host of materials. With the inclusion of the 20-watt IR laser, you can engrave onto metal. Now, I have been testing that out by creating my own dog collar ID tags, as well as little keyring charms, but also engraving directly onto my buckles. Now, it may seem like a small detail, but being able to engrave directly onto my fittings really elevates my items and gives my customers a truly one-of-a-kind product. Some other ways I've been using the F1 Ultra is to create my own business cards. I wanted them to stand out and be different from all the others that you can get, so I've been engraving my logo and details onto some black aluminium ones. And through the use of the XCS software, you can add your own QR codes, linking them directly to your website or social media or within the software. I've also been using the engraver to fancy up some of my packaging. Some of you may know that I offer DIY leathercraft kits, and with the laser I have been engraving my logo directly into the boxes, as well as engraving directly onto the craft envelopes that are included in the kits and making my own thread reels. I feel that this addition really elevates the kit, and what I can do is actually batch engrave when I have some time in the workshop, allowing me to create a little stockpile. Being able to fancy up my packaging and create my own business cards in-house has been a real help for me. I don't have to go out and pay to have a design set up or have a minimum order value, because I can just create them as and when I need to. It also means that if I choose to change the design, I'm not going to have to pay for any new setup costs to have that on my new packaging. So that is how I have initially been using the XTool F1 Ultra. As a one-woman workshop, having a machine like this to help with batch producing items has been invaluable, especially as I can leave it with limited supervision and get on with other jobs in the workshop, really allowing me to maximise my time here. So for full transparency, XTool did send me this machine and I am part of their affiliate program. Now, if you fancy picking yourself up an F1 Ultra, there is an affiliate link in the description, which if you do make a purchase through, I will earn a small amount of commission at no extra cost to you. And using links like this really helps support the channel. Now, I will be doing more videos involving the F1 Ultra, so if there's something specific you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments. So as always, thank you very much for watching and I shall see you in the next video.